Hello. Oh. What's that?
Sample.
Sampo?
Yeah.
Sampo.
What's that?
It's Sampo. Sampo. Do I want to feed him?
Yeah.
You want to eat it?
Do I want to eat him? No, I don't want to eat him.
No.
Does he want to eat me?
Probably.
Wow. I don't know if this is a fun pet for kids.
Yeah. Pretty vicious. Got cool eyes.
I like him. Sampo.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Sampo.
It's Sampo.
Sampo.
Pretty cool.
Just keep
I
it
believe
the
it's
hell
some-
away from me.
I think it's a lemur.
I think it's a, what do you call these freaking creatures? Come on, turn around. Show me that big smile. Poor animal.
I know.
Okay now?
Shy. Kom kamai ianai.
She has her hands full with the varmint. How did you catch it?
You don't want to know.